Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside wall chaser, the model PMNF 1500A1. Power consumption is 1500 watt, no load, rotation speed is 9000 RPM. Groove width is 5-fold adjustable, 8 to 26 mm. Groove depth is adjustable from 0 to 30 mm. 3 years warranty. Case made from 90% recycled materials, thumbs up for that. 3 meters of cable, soft start. Accessories included inside, spindle lock for cutting installation grooves in concrete, masonry or plaster. Electronically controlled motor with soft start and power reinforcement under load. Automatic overload protection. Connection for external dust extraction, spindle lock for easy blade exchange, and it is suitable for standard diamond cutting 125 mm from Parkside and other brands. Well, nice of that, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. Nice durable case. Ooh, definitely it is huge. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Now at the box we've got one tensioning spanner. This kit will help you to unlock the two discs if you want to replace it, or if you want to adjust the groove width, 5-fold adjustments from 8 to 26 mm. One hand chisel pointed at this side, and of course we've got one adapter for external dust extraction. Nice. Now at the unit we've got the outlet for the dust. Rubber inside. Definitely this cutter, it will release a huge amount of dust. We've got a handle, soft grip at this area. The cable is 3 meters. The on-off switch, just press that and press the lever. Otherwise it's not going to work, you need to press that. It is like a safety lock. And here we've got the spindle lock for the disc. It will lock, and then with this key you can unlock the disc and replace them. Nice. We've got this wheel. It will help you when you are cutting at the wall for straight cuts. And here we've got the screw, unscrew, and you can adjust, unscrew more, and you can adjust from 0 to 30 mm. It is the groove depth, how much deep you want to cut at the wall. Well, for me, I think I will start on 30 mm, the longest. That's how we need to tighten it very well. Now the tricky part, it is to adjust the width of the disc. How to do that? Well, let me show you. We've got this key. Lock the discs from here. Find the right position. Unlock the discs. And then you need to... that will be a tricky. There it is. Unlock. Okay. Remove this. Remove the one disc. And let me show you. Inside we've got, it is washers. You can remove one. There's a one washer. You can remove another one. And that's how you can adjust the groove width it will be less. Then you can install the disc and you can see you will have a less diameter. As much you're removing from this washer, you will get less diameter. Okay, nice. I will use the beaker. Wow, amazing. Well, I'm sure you're not going to do all the time adjustments. I think if you are an electrician or a plumber, I think you will have the same diameter for cutting the wall, concrete, soft brick, wherever you want. Well, and this is the last one, needs to have this gap at the upper side. I'm setting the disc. Lock the disc again and tighten it very well. Okay, I will tighten it later more. I hope you don't need to do all the time adjustments, but I think it takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Do your adjustments. And of course, here we've got the handle. Definitely it will help you. You can grab it very well with your one hand. Just press the trigger and start work. Well, I can say I'm so excited. I would like to see how it works. If he's doing a great job. Well, let's move on. Whoa, and that was on a soft brick with some cement. Wow, it was so easy, so fast. Nice job, I like it. Now let's try it on a hard concrete. But before that, you can take this chisel included at the box. Just break what you want. Or you can use a cordless hammer and do better your job. Now let's try it on a hard concrete. And of course the same in here, take the chisel or the cordless hammer. And as you can see, we've got hard concrete here. Definitely is doing an amazing job. Let's take a closer look. It is deep, I can say. This is on soft concrete. And on a hard concrete. Definitely is doing a good job. I like it. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside wall chaser. As you can see, I think it's doing an amazing job. Definitely it can cut very easy on a soft brick. It takes longer on a hard concrete. But the $1 million question is, if you're going to use it as a professional, how long it will last? Well, it has 3 years warranty. It doesn't matter for me. Use it as a professional, and definitely I think 3 years, it is a long enough of warranty just to rest your mind. It's performing very well, connected with a vacuum. Definitely all the dust, it goes at the vacuum. That's how you've got your work area cleaner. It is a great idea if you are a plumber or electrician and you want to install pipes, electric cables with pipes. Definitely it is a great choice. Just buy it and do your job. As I said, 3 years warranty, doesn't matter. It costs 85 euros. I think the price, it is very good. And of course, at all time you need to wear protective for your ears, because the noise, it is very loud when you're using this tool. And for your eyes, of course, wear a protective glass. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye. Stay safe.